Okay, last one. We've got a proper fraction, so step one, check. Step two, our denominator has been factored completely. So we just got to rewrite 4x plus 8 is my numerator. I've got a linear thing that's being repeated, and I've got a quadratic that's being repeated. So this is like everything put together. So I've got a over x plus a b over x squared. So those are both linear. X is linear, and then x is being squared. So both of those get just plain old constant numerators. These next two guys, x squared plus 2 and another x squared plus 2 squared, those both get linear numerators, ex plus f. So again, a lot going on. Check back to the 4 rules on the front page, or if you have additional questions, you can message me. But here we go. We need common denominators. So this guy's missing an x, another x, and an x squared plus 2 squared. So off to the side, we probably want to know what x squared plus 2 squared is. X squared plus 2 times x squared plus 2 is x to the 4th plus 2x squared plus another 2x squared, so that's 4x squared plus 4. So on the top, this guy's getting an x and an x to the 4th plus 4x squared plus 4. The second guy is just getting an x squared plus 2 squared. We just found out that's x to the 4th plus 4x squared plus 4. This guy is missing an x squared. That's not so bad. And this guy, just kidding, and another x squared plus 2. Last video, so I don't feel like starting it all over again. So this numerator is really getting an x to the 4th plus 2x squared. Now this last guy's just getting an x squared and an x squared. Okay, so here we go, matching stuff up. 4x plus 8 equals, distributing, I've got an ax to the 5th plus a 4ax to the 3rd plus a 4ax. It's all from my first fraction. Plus a bx to the 4th plus 4bx squared plus 4b. X plus c times x to the 5th plus 2cx cubed plus dx to the 4th, can't fit it all in one line, plus 2dx squared plus ex cubed plus fx squared. Yikes. Feel free to pause and look back to see where I came up with that. Hopefully I didn't make any mistakes. So comparing coefficients, well, we'll regroup stuff. So a is the only one with an x to the 5th. We got, no it's not, I take that back. We've got an a, we've got a c that are x to the 5th. Plus x to the 4th, we've got 1, 2, so I've got a b plus a d, that's x to the 4th, plus 1, 2, 3, I've got 3 things, so a 4a, a 2c, and an e that are x to the 3rd, plus 1, 2, 3, so a b, a 2d, and an f that are x squared. Got 1, I already got that one. Just 1, so 4ax, that's nice, plus 4b. Okay, so over here I've got 4x plus 8, all the other coefficients are 0. So a plus c equals 0, because the coefficient of x to the 5th on the left is 0. B plus d equals 0. 4a plus 2c plus e equals 0. Next I've got, so up here, this should have been, I'm looking here, this x squared should have had a 4 in front of the b. Just a few mistakes, no big deal. So 4b plus 2d plus f equals 0. 4a equals 4. 4b equals, okay, so I screwed up here. My original problem said 4x minus 8. I put pluses, so I'll fix that real quick before things get crazy. So that's a minus. Those are minuses. So this is a minus 8. Okay, so A is 1, B is negative 2. Yikes. If A is 1, C is negative 1. If B is negative 2, then D is positive 2. Then here, if A is 1 and C is a negative 1, so that's a 2, E is a negative 2. Down here, if B is negative 2, that's negative 8 plus 4. So F must be positive 4. Yikes. Okay, so taking this stuff and plugging in these values, I've got 1 over x, we'll say, because your textbook probably wants it this way, minus 2 over x squared. Plus negative x plus 2 over x squared plus 2 plus negative 2x plus 4 over x squared plus 2 squared. Now, again, your textbook is kind of weird. They wrote this answer as 1 over x minus 2 over x squared plus 2 minus x over x squared plus 2 plus 4 minus 2x over x squared plus 2 squared. So again, just be careful when you're inputting your answers. I figure there will be a few questions on this section, so I will be available to help you out however I can.